Grains and legumes, a guide to preparation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on food and dining. Today, we're delving into a vital part of our food vocabulary, grains and legumes. More specifically, we'll be focusing on how to prepare these nutritious foods. Understanding this will not only expand your vocabulary but also allow you to better understand recipes and conversations about cooking. So, let's dive right in. Grains include foods like rice, wheat, corn, oats, and barley. Legumes are a category of vegetables that includes beans, lentils, peas, and chickpeas. Both grains and legumes form a vital part of our diet and are used in a multitude of dishes around the world. They are known for their health benefits, including being a great source of protein and fiber. Grains and legumes are typically prepared in a few common ways. 1. Boiling. This is the most common method. Grains like rice and oats or legumes like lentils and beans are often boiled until they are soft. 2. Roasting. This involves cooking grains or legumes in an oven or pan. For example, corn can be roasted on the cob, and chickpeas can be roasted for a crispy snack. 3. Steaming. A healthier method. Steaming is often used to prepare grains like rice. 4. Baking. Baking is another method of preparing grains and legumes, particularly in bread and desserts. For example, wheat is milled into flour and then used to bake bread. 5. Sprouting. In this method, legumes are soaked in water until they begin to grow sprouts. Sprouted legumes are considered to be more nutritious. There are a number of specific cooking terms associated with preparing grains and legumes. 1. Simmer. To cook food gently in liquid just at or below the boiling point. 2. Drain. To remove all the water or liquid from something, often using a colander. 3. Soak. To leave food in liquid for a period of time, often used with beans and lentils to soften them before cooking. 4. Sauté. To cook food quickly in a small amount of oil in a frying pan or skillet. 5. Stir-fry. A method of quickly frying small pieces of food in a very hot pan or wok, typically used with rice. And there we have it. We've gone over some basic vocabulary related to grains and legumes, as well as their preparation methods. You now have the tools to understand and discuss these essential food items more confidently. Remember, the more you use these words in your daily English, the more comfortable you'll become. So, don't be afraid to practice and keep expanding your food vocabulary. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.